How does stem cell therapy work? Stem cell therapy is a promising medical procedure that involves the use of stem cells to treat or prevent diseases and conditions. When there is an injury or a disease, the body's organs or tissues are affected. Stem cells are in charge of the entire body's renewal in order to restore the body's health to its optimal state. Right after the injury, the affected part of the body releases specific chemicals to signal the stem cells to take action. These chemical compounds act as messengers and run through the blood to reach their final destination to perform their task. They target the bone marrow where there are stem cells which are currently inactive. These stem cells perform their duty, then activate those stem cells to divide in number and produce new stem cells. Upon the differentiation of the newly formed stem cells, they are then released into the stream of blood to travel to the affected area. The process continues, and more activated stem cells get onto their way to the affected area. Meanwhile, there is a release of another chemical compound, scientifically known as stromal cell-derived factor 1, from the affected tissue. This tissue remains at the affected region, signaling the stem cells and attracting them to come and recognize the affected region. Stem cells then, after the recognition of the site, penetrate into the tissue and reach the specific injured area to start the healing process. There, those stem cells perform their job of healing by multiplying and then transforming themselves into cells of that tissue. This highly transformable ability of stem cells is what has convinced researchers to work on the field of stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy is all about extending the tremendous capability of stem cells and healing. Scientists are developing such regenerative medicines and therapies that would increase the productivity of the stem cells to higher levels so that they can be used for treating numerous types of diseases, and even such diseases that are currently incurable. Through stem cell therapy, researchers aim to utilize the incredible transformative ability of stem cells in order to heal and treat a wide range of diseases. The current stem cell therapy, which is under development but still being practiced because of being safe and valuable in curing medical problems, involves directly injecting stem cells into the body of the patient. The best source of stem cells in the body is the bone marrow of a person. Others are umbilical cord blood, fatty tissue, and embryonic stem cells. The technicality here is that those stem cells should be taken from the bone marrow of the same person who is then going to be injected. Then those stem cells would be accepted by the body. Otherwise, if there were another donor, the therapy would fail because of the death of those stem cells being injected. The function of stem cell therapy and how it works can be understood by the process of treating arthritis with the help of stem cell therapy. Adult humans contain stem cells in the bone marrow, which are multipotent stem cells, which means that they can develop into more than one type of stem cell, and are controlled and safe for this type of therapy. These stem cells can be used to regenerate any damaged joint, tissue, or organ in the body. A joint with arthritis needs stem cells to heal, so stem cells are taken from the bone marrow of that person and then injected directly to the area where the arthritis exists. This process helps the damaged joint heal because of the regenerative qualities that stem cells have. The function currently practiced stem cell treatment is simple. Persons with chronic wounds that have not healed after passing the typical healing period either have low stem cell counts in that location or their stem cells are not functioning at their best. Then, those people have areas in their body where there is a presence of stem cells in abundance, for instance, the bone marrow of the body. Stem cells are taken from those stem cell abundant areas and then injected into the injured chronic area, and then the healing process completes with the help of the newly injected stem cells. Stem cell therapy is going to be the future of medical treatment because it does not involve any laboratory-produced chemical drug, but instead it uses the cells themselves, for instance, mesenchymal stem cells, or SMCs, one of the most popular cell types used in regenerative medicine. Scientists believe that MSCs can be used to treat a wide range of medical conditions, including diseases that require tissue regeneration, such as heart failure and neurodegenerative diseases. As a result, stem cell treatment has the potential to revolutionize how we approach medical treatment. A body's natural healing process is limited, and it further gets limited over the age of time. This results because of the low function of the stem cells, so SMCs play the vital role of healing initiators, healing influencers, and ultimately healers of the problems and diseases of the human body. As such, stem cell therapy offers the potential for a new level of treatment that could be more effective and faster than traditional methods. If you are looking for the safest, most effective cell regeneration supplements, please see the link in the description below.